In this YouTube journey, do you want to quit? Do you feel like all your efforts is amounting to nothing? You have seen a lot of persons when you come to this YouTube interface who said that they were able to grow up to 1,000 subscribers, monetize their YouTube within a space of maybe a week, maybe in a month, but you are here more than 2 years, 3 years, but you have not even reached 1,000 subscribers. And you feel that all your efforts are in vain. Please, I want to tell you to stop there. If you are planning to quit, please reconsider this with these 5 points why you should never quit your YouTube. Number one, do you believe in the principle of consistency? Consistency really pays. This is actually my second channel, but my first channel took me a period of 4 years to be able to monetize it. And today it is doing quite well. If I have quitted by that time, maybe it was almost the time for me to post that one video that will make me to go viral. You may have done everything, but it seems that all your efforts, they are not going well. Consider again this principle of consistency. The more you post, the better you become. And I will advise you to continue to post evergreen videos. Even if they are not seen today, in 2 years' time, in a year time, maybe in a month, maybe next week, it may be you are shining time and people are going to see just by the click of that one of your videos, they will discover the value, the real game in you, and they're able to go back and see what you have been offering the world since. So please do not quit for that one reason. And if you think that this is not enough, then you should also know that these your videos or these your videos that you are posting, they are actually there as a kind of a bank which someone will need tomorrow. One surprising thing that I normally see on YouTube is that when I log in to search for one thing, I will see that someone has posted that in 2 weeks, a month, a year, 2 years, even 10 years ago. And it is offering me at this moment, 10 years after, a value invaluable for me to use to make myself better and make life of people around me to be better. If you have been offering these services and you think that people are not valuing it, think about tomorrow. People are going to value these things, these efforts that you are making. So please do not quit. Another one, I want you to consider YouTube as a tree, or even in the human life. Let's take a tree for an example. A tree, once planted, takes time to grow. And the more valuable that tree is, the more time it takes to grow up. For instance, you cannot compare a maize plant with an iroko tree. A maize plant will take a maximum of 3 months to grow and mature, everything is there. But then, sometimes there are other trees, like iroko trees, that may take up to 2 years, 3 years. Even in human life, even in lives of vertebrates and mammals, you see those that are hatched, chickens that are hatched within a space of 21 days. But then you see animals like elephants. It takes long gestation period for them to finally showcase what they are and be born. I want to take the life of Mr. Bean, the greatest YouTuber in the world today. Do you know that it took him more than a year to get up to 1,000 subscribers? This should tell you something. If you are making effort and it seems that it's not making, you are not realizing your goal, maybe you may have a rethink. That is actually, you are setting the roots for your success. And then when you have done that, continue to grow. The more you grow, the better you become at your skills, the better you are at advising others, the better you are at presenting your skills, the better you are at having more connections. Never you quit, because if you quit, then it means that all your efforts of the previous years have actually gone to nothing, have gone down the drain. You wouldn't like that to be that, of course. So please do not quit for this. The fourth reason is that time always wins. What you are doing today is actually an investment for tomorrow. The skills you are acquiring today are the skills that will help you tomorrow when you build on them. If you lose those opportunities of acquiring those skills you are acquiring, even by constructing your videos, even by organizing and writing your scripts, you may lose up the opportunity of gaining them tomorrow. If you are out of the system, you can never join again. So the time it takes you to do all those things, take it as an investment. Take it as an opportunity to grow and make yourself better. And what more, the final reason why you should not do this, why you should not quit, is that you are actually learning. You are learning the moment you are putting up for something for some people to learn, you have to learn that first to be able to push it to others. Someone is going to benefit from the wealth of your wisdom, from the wealth of your skill, from the wealth of your knowledge. And even if it's just one person that has acquired those privilege, that has this privilege of learning, you have actually achieved something. Yes, you may not be monetized today, but you may be tomorrow. And maybe just one video is enough. The next video is enough to skyrocket all your views, make YouTube to you click that algorithm. And then if you do not know how to, the more you are doing this, the better you become. Research more and discover better methods of doing that thing you are doing so that you are at par with the modern times. So, my brother, my sister, if you're seeing this now, maybe you are considering quitting. You are asking yourself, why should I continue with this? Is it not a waste of time? I want to tell you, it is not a waste of time. It is only but the accumulation of values that will help you to launch into the space tomorrow. If you like this video, please share it to some other persons who may be under despair, may be in despair, and may be trying to quit this journey of Facebook. I want to tell you that you are a winner, that you have not succeeded today in monetizing your channel or reaching 1,000 subscribers or having up to 1,000 watch hours doesn't mean that you don't know what you are doing. It's only that it's not yet your time yet. If you like this video, share it to another person and encourage them so that they'll be able to step up and then continue in this journey. I wish you the very best. You can subscribe to this channel if you like to follow in this journey. Ciao.